Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling green hills, lived a 22-year-old boy named Subhan. He was known for his infectious smile, kind heart, and unyielding curiosity that seemed to sparkle in his eyes. Subhan had always been passionate about exploration and learning, which often led him on incredible adventures. One bright morning, as Subhan roamed through the village square, he overheard an elderly woman sharing her worries about a great challenge that had befallen their land. The village had been plagued by a terrible drought, and the crops were withering away, causing immense sadness and despair among the villagers. Unable to bear the weight of their sorrow, Subhan made a plan. He would embark on a journey to seek the wisdom of the mystical water guardians, who were said to possess the power to bring life-giving rains to any barren land. Determined, he bid farewell to his family and friends and set out on a path paved with uncertainty. Subhan's travels took him through dense forests, treacherous mountains, and across vast deserts. He faced countless obstacles along the way, battling fierce storms and cunning creatures, yet his determination remained unyielding. Guided by his unwavering spirit, he pressed on, listening to the secrets whispered by nature and treasuring the advice imparted by wise old owls and magical fireflies. After weeks of tireless exploration, Subhan found himself standing before the colossal gates of the Water Guardian's hidden sanctuary. The ancient walls hummed with whispers, and a feeling of anticipation filled the air. With a nervous yet resolute heart, Subhan entered the sanctuary, greeted by a shimmering pool filled with sparkling water. Suddenly, a magnificent being emerged from the depths of the pool. The water guardian, adorned in a glistening aqua robe, spoke with a voice as soothing as the gentle rain. He listened intently as Subhan relayed the plight of the village, the tears of the farmers, and the pain etched on the faces of the children. Moved by Subhan's earnestness and compassion, the water guardian revealed a profound secret. Subhan, he said, the answer lies not in searching for magical solutions, but in the hearts and actions of the villagers themselves. They must come together, support one another, and learn to cherish and protect the precious gift of water that sustains all life. Subhan returned to the village, his heart brimming with hope and determination. He gathered the villagers, organizing meetings filled with inspiration and practical knowledge. Together, they devised ways to conserve water, build reservoirs, and use innovative irrigation techniques. The village transformed into a bustling hub of unity and resilience. Months passed, and the village thrived once again. Lush fields kissed by rainbows of blooming flowers replaced the desolate landscape. Laughter and joy echoed through the air, and a deep sense of gratitude flowed through the hearts of the villagers. They celebrated the return of abundance, knowing that their newfound wisdom and perseverance had made all the difference. As for Subhan, he had become a beloved figure, not only in his village but in the hearts of children everywhere who had heard his inspiring tale. With each retelling, the legacy of Subhan's adventure grew, reminding all who listened of the incredible power that lies within every person to overcome challenges and create their own moments of magic. And so, dear readers, let Subhan's story be etched in your hearts as a reminder that the greatest lessons often lie not in the pursuit of extraordinary beings or mythical wonders, but in the simple acts of kindness, unity, and stewardship that have the power to change the course of our lives and make our world a truly magical place.